guys, how's everyone doing today? So today's video is going to be something a little different. I've always said that I wasn't going to do a brow video until I was happy with the way I can do my eyebrows. And I think I found a routine and products that I'm happy using to do my brows. So today is going to be just a video showing you guys how I do my eyebrows, and I figured maybe it'll help somebody else out. And that's also why I'm so zoomed in. I didn't want to have to keep zooming in and out because I've said 100 times I use my phone to film. So, you know, that explains a lot. Alright, so the first thing I do, well, the first product I'm going to use is this Smashbox eyeshadow palette. You can see all my little fingerprints on it. This is the Smashbox Photo Matte Shadow, Liner, and Brow Powder palette. So, I mean, that's it. Bring it a little closer, you can see. Sorry, it's backwards. I don't know why I do that anyway, but... So yeah, the colors in here I basically use are, let me see, this color here, the one beneath it, this one here, and then I'll brighten areas I have to with this as like a highlight. And that's it, really. So, I'm going to spoolie through my brows real quick because I have some powder in them. Kind of just brush the hair up. I don't go crazy like brushing the hair up, brush the hair down. Like I keep it all one way, and that's it. So the first color I tap into in this palette for my brows is this one right here, which on camera looks gray. It is sort of a grayish brown, but it's the best match. It's like an ashy brown, like a cool tone brown. So it's the best match for my hair and for my face. So the first thing I do is line underneath. Start here, bring it up. Like that, and it gets the first part of the arch. And then I take the brush from there, curve it around, and go right underneath. And that's it. So that's the bottom part of my eyebrow. And I dip into the same color, and I kind of do upward strokes right here in the front. Then I do inward strokes, well, outward strokes this way, and then I start at the top, and then curve it around. And you can't really see much of it yet. You will when I'm done. I just didn't want to do, I don't like to do dark lines unless I know exactly where I'm going with it. Like I don't want to put a dark line in and then have to go with foundation and make a mess. So I kind of just get it ready for the darker color. And once I'm happy with the brow, then I'll fill it in just a little bit darker. So that gives you an idea of the shape. And I kind of just take the brush from there and fill it in. And there's basically the shape. Now, like I said, there's all different colors in there. Like, well, darker spots, lighter spots, things like that. So, you know, I'll go through and fix that when I'm done. But I just want to bring the, right here in the front, I want to bring a little bit more of a line right there. Just like that. And then fill this in a little bit more. And I can actually, because this brush is small enough, I could take this and actually set it directly on the brow and make a hair stroke. And that's why I like this brush. It's by Milani. And if I just press in like that, I'll get a bunch of little hair strokes in it. So it's nothing really crazy, nothing that's a big, like, process. It's just a matter of filling them in the way I like them. And then I'll take this darker tone right here, which is like a darker, warmer brown, but not like extremely warm. It's more of a neutral brown. And then I'll bring this underneath. Just to give it just a little bit more definition. And then whatever's left over, I'll just run it up the brow like this. And it just gives it different shades of light and dark. Like a natural eyebrow would. And that's really it for that brow. I will set it with my MUA brow gel. I'm just going to comb through it. And there you go. That's basically the style that I do my eyebrows. I'm going to do the other one real quick. Same thing. brush up. Sorry guys, I'm trying not to block yous, but sometimes the angle I go at kind of blocks the camera and I can't help it. I try to keep it lower. There we go. Again, I just fill it in and then I go into the darker color. Underneath and then brush it in. Then I just comb through it, or I spoolie through them real quick. And they're done. I mean, that's really all I do to make my eyebrows look the way I do. This is the way I'm comfortable doing them. This is the way that I think that they look best. They stay all day. I don't have a problem with that. So I just use the MUA Professional tinted brow gel here on the spoolie, and I just spoolie it through. I just take it through them very lightly, like that, and that's it. That's all I do to make my brows look the way that I get them. I kind of had an off brow day while I was trying to do this, so I hope that you guys get the point of what I was trying to explain. So once I'm done filling in my brows using the brow gel, I like to highlight underneath my brow bone, and normally I do it with my eyeshadow, but today I'm not going to use a shimmer shade. I'm going to use this one right here, the cream shade, just to show you. And I got the wrong brush. So today I'm just going to use a little flat brush like this. It's like a little tiny shader brush, and I'm just going to dip it into that cream shade. And then I'm just going to take it right underneath of my brow. Like that. And it'll just highlight it for me. That's all. So this is my latest brow routine. This is the way I get my brows as even as I can. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it wasn't too descriptive. I'm a little congested today. I've explained 100 times over that I have lupus, and apparently the reason why I've been so stuffy has to do with the lupus. So it hasn't been like a cold or a lingering allergy or anything like that. It's actually been the lupus attacking my lungs and my sinuses. So that's why I've been like really congested and sniffly, and it's really obnoxious, but it's getting a little bit better. But today it was kind of on the rough side, just like yesterday, which is why this video didn't go up yesterday. Actually better today than yesterday. So yeah, again, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope I was able to explain it good to you, and I didn't sound too nasally or stuffy, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.